Printing a project to a multi-sheet PDF. Right click over the project, select Publish, Publish to DWF, select Do All, select OK, and then obviously select the Model tab. Your drawings will appear in a list. You can then select PDF as a drop down. You can select the Publish options. You can select that it's a multi-sheet PDF and OK. You can include both drawings, and you can import basically a page setup file which gets the finest resolution, and we'll import that onto both drawings, and then we just say Publish, and as I said, this will create a multi-sheet PDF.